So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can blur a face in a video. So let's open Wondershare Filmora and let's import a video. Let's say this one. Let's say I want to blur the face of this guy. So how can I do this? So all I have to do is simply go to effects, then utility, and here we have face off. So simply drag it above the video till the very end of the video, and let's see. So see, face of this man has blurred, right? Or if you click on this effect, you will see there are some other preset face which you can apply. So if I want, let's say this one, so I double click on it and then boom. And let's say this one maybe. Okay, why he is so angry? What's wrong with him? Okay, so this is how you can blur face in Wondershare Filmora. So try this out, import a video and then try to blur face in that video, and I will see you in our next video.